Hey there! Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering electricity safety and codes from a real expert. Welcome to The Honest Electrician, where we break down the sparks without the shocks. I'm here to teach you everything you need to know about electricity, safety, and the Canadian Electrical Code with honesty and hands-on experience. Did you know that 120 VAC is the voltage with the leading causes of electrocution and death? Whether you're a homeowner trying to understand your system, an apprentice looking to level up, or just someone who wants to do it right, electricity can kill, and the electrical codes are put in place to help ensure the safety of our lives. I connect the dots between code and reality, just like you'd learn in a college classroom, but right here in your own time. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just real knowledge, on-the-job video footage, hands-on training videos, real safety and real electrical code. Subscribe now and let's wire up your knowledge, the safe and honest way. Electrical Safety Guy, smart, safe, wired right. New videos to be posted at least once every 2 weeks.